Welcome all to the Incus Learning App. In 3 minutes, I am going to make you the champions in cardiac physical examination, which is the favorite topic of the examiner in the tomorrow's NEET PG. Now, jugular venous distension. When do you call JVP increased? If it is more than 7 centimeters above the sternal angle, you call it as JVP elevated. So typically it is seen in all volume overload conditions. Whenever there is any right heart failure or any pulmonary hypertension, typically you look for the JV distension. Then what is hepatojugular reflux? When you apply the pressure over the right upper quadrant, so when you press on the edge of the liver, then the jugular vein, if it shows distension, typically it is seen in the case of the volume overload conditions. Then what is Kusumal sign? Normally during inspiration, because of the negative intrathoracic pressure, all the blood in the JVP will be sucked into the heart. So that is the reason during inspiration, normally jugular vein is supposed to collapse. But if there is any cardiac tamponade around the heart, a lot of fluid is there. It is preventing the jugular vein from draining into the heart. That is the reason normally during inspiration, you are expecting jugular vein to collapse. But if there is a cardiac tamponade or a constrictive pericarditis, it is preventing the unfilling of the jugular vein into the heart. That's the reason the jugular vein shows distension during inspiration. It remains distended instead of normally collapsing during inspiration, which is called Kusumal sign, which is seen in case of cardiac tamponade and constrictive pericarditis. So keep tuned with the Incus Learning app. Don't forget to download. Ask your friends also to download, and you also upload a lot of revision videos while you are studying and win fans and followers across the world. Good luck.